questions and answers. Answers you've given have been fantastic.
Thank you.
They've been amazing for me. My question actually then goes to future security, life insurance. I have a choice between obviously what I guess we'll call traditional life insurance versus, whole life versus term.
Yeah.
I am 39 later this month that I own a home.
Are you married?
No.
Do you have children?
No.
If you died, who would care? I didn't mean exactly like that. If you died, who would suffer a financial loss?
Nobody.
Why are you even talking to me about insurance at all? Oh, I know why. Somebody got a hold of you and told you that variable life or whole life insurance would be the greatest investment for you. You could put in all this money, possibly withdraw tax-free, do all these things with it, and it would be a great investment for you. Is that what happened to you?
I've heard that before.
Yeah, and here's what you're going to hear right now. If you don't need life insurance, you don't buy life insurance. It will be the biggest waste of money you will ever make in your life. The only reason you buy life insurance is if somebody is financially dependent upon you and you die, you're responsible to them, your spouse, your children, even possibly your parents, if you're taking care of them. But if nobody is financially dependent upon you, why waste your money? Do not, on any level, touch whole life, universal life, or variable life insurance with a 10-foot pole. In my opinion, in most circumstances, they are the biggest ripoffs out there. Life insurance was never meant to be a permanent need. It was only meant to be there during your younger years when you were building up. And once you had enough assets, then you could get rid of the life insurance. So the only life insurance you want is term insurance. It's cheap. At your age, you could get $500,000, $1 million for maybe $30, $40 a month, versus the universal or whole life that would probably be $300, $400, $500 a month. Insurance is insurance. Investments are investments. Never have the two crossed. Do you all understand that? If ever an insurance agent calls you and says, there's a great way for you to invest your money tax-free, get up and walk out. That is a salesperson. You're not touching life insurance, not here, not now, not until somebody is financially dependent upon you, if ever. Got it?
Thank you very much.
Good.